Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Discover the comfort of beef pears soup, a Filipino classic unveiled. Beef pears soup is a cherished dish in Filipino cuisine, loved for its comforting flavors and rich history. It brings warmth to the table, often enjoyed during family gatherings or rainy days. This hearty soup blends tender beef with a savory broth, creating a satisfying meal that's both nourishing and soulful. Have you ever wondered why this dish holds such significance? Beyond its delicious taste, beef pears soup symbolizes togetherness, making it a staple in many households. As we explore its origins and preparation, you'll learn not only how to make this delightful soup but also the story behind it. Get ready to discover a classic that's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. What is beef pears soup? Beef pears soup is a delightful Filipino dish that brings warmth and flavor to any dining table. Known for its rich broth and tender beef, the soup is more than just a meal. It's a comforting experience that tells a story of tradition and community. Origins of beef pears soup. The origins of beef pears soup trace back to the streets of Manila, where it began as a popular Filipino street food. The word pears means pear in Filipino, referring to the combination of beef and rice that often accompanies the soup. It was originally served with fried rice and a side of soy sauce and chili. Over time, it evolved into a hearty soup enjoyed in homes and restaurants alike. Its rise to fame can be attributed to its affordability and comforting nature, making it a household favorite during rainy days or special gatherings. Key ingredients. The heart of beef pears soup lies in its simple yet flavorful ingredients. Here's what you'll typically find. Beef cuts. Common cuts include brisket, shank, or beef short ribs, which become tender and flavorful after slow cooking. Broth. A rich combination of beef stock, water, and spices creates the base. Spices. Essential seasonings like garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and sugar bring complexity to the broth. Vegetables. Some add carrots, potatoes, and onions for added texture and nutrition. Condiments. Lime or calamansi juice, alongside soy sauce and chili, enhance flavor and offer a customizable kick. These ingredients come together to create a well-rounded, satisfying dish that warms the soul. Cultural significance. In Filipino culture, beef pears is more than just food, it represents togetherness and hospitality. It's commonly served during family gatherings, celebrations, and even during simple meals at home. Sharing this dish with loved ones creates a sense of community, making it a staple in many households. The soup is often approached with a communal spirit, where everyone gathers around the table to enjoy not just the food, but the bond it fosters. Regional variants. Just like many traditional dishes, beef pears soup has seen regional adaptations across the Philippines. Northern variants. In areas like Pampanga, chefs may add local spices or even introduce coconut milk for a richer flavor. Visayas. Some regions offer a slightly sweeter broth by experimenting with additional spices or sweet soy sauce. Mindanao. Home cooks may infuse unique local ingredients, adding their own twist to the classic recipe. These variations highlight the creativity and diversity in Filipino cuisine, ensuring that each bowl of beef pears soup offers a unique taste experience, deeply rooted in local traditions. How to prepare beef pears soup. Creating a warm and delicious beef peas soup is a satisfying journey that brings together simple ingredients and flavorful techniques. Here's a guide to help you make this beloved dish from scratch while ensuring every bowl is filled with rich taste and heartwarming aromas. Choosing the right beef cuts. The first step to a great beef peas soup is selecting the right cuts of beef. Look for cuts that will become tender with slow cooking and infuse the broth with rich flavors. Here are some top options. Brisket. Known for its balance of fat and meat, brisket adds depth to the soup. Shank. This cut has connective tissue that breaks down beautifully when simmered for a long time, enriching your broth. Beef short ribs. These meaty cuts provide a hearty flavor and tender texture, making your soup even more satisfying. Using a combination of these cuts can also enhance the overall flavor profile, ensuring you create a rich and satisfying soup. Cooking techniques. When it comes to cooking, you have various options to achieve tender meat and a flavorful broth. Here are some methods. Traditional slow cooking. This classic method involves simmering beef in a pot with water and spices for several hours. This allows the flavors to meld and the meat to become tender. Pressure cooking. If you're short on time, a pressure cooker is an excellent tool. It significantly reduces cooking time while still tenderizing the beef. Stovetop simmering. Start by browning the beef in a pot before adding water and ingredients. This first step develops layers of flavor as the meat caramelizes. Feel free to choose the method that fits your schedule and cooking style. Each technique offers a unique way to elevate the tasty broth. Flavor enhancements. To take your beef peas soup to the next level, consider adding these flavor-boosting ingredients: fresh herbs. Adding sprigs of cilantro or parsley during the last few minutes of cooking can brighten the flavors. Aromatics. Aromatics like garlic, onions, and ginger should be sautéed before adding them to the broth for a more robust taste. Soy sauce and sugar. Balance the savory and sweet flavors by using a mix of soy sauce and a dash of sugar. This combination lends an authentic Filipino taste. Experiment with these elements to find the perfect balance for your palate, ensuring your soup bursts with flavor. Serving suggestions. Beef peas soup is best enjoyed hot and can be served in a variety of ways. Here are some ideas to enhance your dining experience. Rice. Serve the soup over a bed of plain or garlic fried rice to soak up the flavorful broth. Side dishes. Pair the soup with crispy spring rolls or pickled vegetables for added texture and taste. Condiments. Don't forget to offer lime or calamansi juice as well as chili sauce for those who like an extra kick. These serving suggestions not only elevate your beef peas soup but also create a beautiful spread that delights the senses. Enjoy the warmth and comfort that this dish brings to your table. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll show you how to make this amazing dish from scratch. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.